This is Silent Scaler, an event-driven AWS pipeline that validates uploaded files and quarantines invalid ones automatically. It is fully deployed with Terraform. In this demo, the CSV file is a valid upload, and the rest of the files are treated as invalid. Silent Scaler would automatically sort them, keeping the CSV file in the main bucket and moving the invalid files to the quarantine bucket. Let's go ahead and upload. So let's go ahead and check the main bucket. On main bucket, only the CSV file remains, and the rest should be on quarantine. And there they are. I'm also going to get SNS email alerts. Okay. And let's go ahead and check CloudWatch. Okay. The Lambda function was able to successfully sort the files as expected. And let's go ahead and check the DynamoDB. So as you can see, it was able to tag the files accordingly, the CSV being processed and the rest being quarantined.